All right, so we're going to do the same things that you already know how to do. So we're going to circle what we need to isolate. We need to isolate the y. So we're going to move everything else to the right. So we're going to, the opposite of a positive 2x is to minus 2x. And we're going to do it to the other side of the equation. Okay, so these two x's subtract, and I'm left with 6y is equal to. Now this is an x, and this is a number. I cannot add them together, okay? So I have 2x minus 12, all right? And then I need to divide the 6 away. Everything gets divided by the 6. So 6 divided by 6 is y, and a negative 2/6 will turn into a negative 1/3 x, and negative 12 divided by 6 is going to be negative 2. This is what we're looking for. We're trying to put the equation to where it says y equals. Okay? All right, let's do this again. Okay, so I'm going to circle everything that goes with my y because I'm trying to get the y by itself. I'm going to divide my equation in half. I need to get rid of the 4x and move it to the other side. Opposite of adding x or adding 4 is to subtract 4. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. These 4's zero out. I'm left with a negative 6y is equal to, this is an x, this is a number. I cannot add those together, so I have two separate things. I have minus 4x plus 12. Last thing I need to do is to divide by the negative 6, and I'm going to divide everything by negative 6. All right, so this will divide away. Y is going to equal to negative 4 divided by negative 6 is going to be a positive 2/3. If you don't know that, just use your calculator. And 12 divided by negative 6 is negative 2. This is what I'm trying to do. Trying to get it to say y equals. And then that way I could put this into my calculator with the y equals button. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So I'm going to divide this equation in half, circle everything that goes with the y because I want the y by itself. I'm going to move the x over. So the opposite of minus 6x is a plus 6x. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. This subtracts away. I get negative 2y is equal to 6x minus 3 because these are two different things. This is a number, this is an x. I can't combine those together. They're not the same thing. Last thing to get just the 1y is to divide by negative 2. This divides away, and y is equal to 6 divided by negative 2, which gives me negative 3x. And negative 3 divided by negative 2 is going to wind up being a positive 3/2. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, you can do this. It's the same thing as what you've been doing. Just do the opposite until you have y by itself.